Most pets and animals are already well designed to survive the winter. They have a fur coat, and that is usually plenty enough, especially if they've been acclimated to the outdoors.
Wintertime is really important for caring for your animals because it gets cold and they can't fend for themselves. So some people like to blanket, some people will give it extra grain. I like to give extra grain and hay. Make sure their coat is always cleaned off, not muddy or anything like that. They'll take good care of you if you take good care of them.